Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is a video Thanksgiving dinner under $10 my way. And what I did is I decided to do a video on how to do a complete Thanksgiving dinner under $10. And I'm going to have this in two parts. First part will be, I'll show you the ingredients, what you need. And the second part will be the finished product. I'm not going to show you how to cook this because I don't think that's necessary. But I'm going to show you how it come out. And that's what me and Mrs. Scoggett's going to have for dinner. So, I know there comes a time in everybody's life when they're like kind of strapped during the holidays for money, and including myself. Don't get me wrong, I am also in that boat. So it's kind of like you have your wife and you got two kids, and it's like, well, I don't have enough to go out and buy a turkey, you know, what costs like $12, or you can get a smaller one for $10. But we're not going to have, like, that's all what we're going to have is a turkey. That's not the way it should be. What I'm going to do is show you how to have a complete Thanksgiving dinner for under $10. And that's what this video is all about. Everybody goes through a hard time, and I know that some people don't have money, and including myself, like I said, and this is just to try to help somebody to have a nice Thanksgiving dinner on like a budget. If you got $10, then you can make this happen, and show you what going to be doing. And like I say, I'll have the ingredients for the first video, and the second video I'll plate it up and show you how it come out, and it will be delicious. Get you one of these banquet, family size, home style gravy and sliced white meat turkey dinners. This has got the turkey in it. It's got the gravy in it. So you don't have to worry about making extra gravy. That's the main ingredient. This is $2.97. That's what I paid for it. Now you go to like, well, we got to have some kind of a dressing. That ain't no problem. Got the stovetop cornbread stuffing, and that's what is going to be like the dressing or the stuffing for the turkey dinner, the Thanksgiving dinner. This is $1.50. I bought my stuff at Walmart, so this is where it comes from. Then you say, well, don't have like mashed potatoes. Oh yeah, you do. It's right here. Got some Idahoan buttery homestyle mashed potatoes. 88 cents at Walmart. Thing is, you say, well, I don't have any milk to make the mashed potatoes. This only takes water. So you got it made there. Then you say, well, I think I might like to have some dinner rolls. Problem solved. These dinner rolls right here, great value dinner rolls, is $1 at Walmart. And you put all this together and you say, well, how is this going to work, because it can't be a complete Thanksgiving dinner without pumpkin pie dessert. Got that covered. This pumpkin pie right here was at Walmart for $2.97. So if you add all this up, it comes to exactly $9.32. So you have a complete Thanksgiving dinner under $10, just like old Scoggins said. And what you do on like for the gravy and stuff, I think I might already mention this, for the potatoes, is this comes with the gravy. So you got it made. I'm going to have the second video coming up, and I'm going to go ahead and make this and show you and plate it up and show you how it come out and how good it's going to look and everything. And this is Scoggins. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving Day. I'm working that day, but it's all good. And this is just something I put together, designed to help somebody. Hopefully it would help somebody what's in a bind. And if they have $10 on hand, they can feed their family. So this is Scoggins, and I'll have a second video coming up, and y'all take care.